Hello everyone, a good morning to you. Say to you live from Kalkine studio in Sydney. You're watching the Early Trades show. Now let's get on with the market open report. The S&P ASX 200 was up today at 10:12 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time, gaining 73.40 points or 1.02%. It reached 7,256.10 and crossed above its 20-day moving average. The top performing stocks in the index are the A2 Milk Company Limited and NOVONIX Limited, up 11.34% and 10.46% respectively. And over the last 5 days, the index has gained 1.50%, but it is down 2.53% for the last year to date. And now let's look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session of the ASX, starting with the news coming in from Capricorn Metals. And today the board of Capricorn Metals announced that it has entered into an agreement with Gascoyne Resources Limited to acquire the prospective Kalkine well project located contiguous to the company's Karlawinda gold project tenure in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. Capricorn will pay Gascoyne 1.25 million Australian dollars upon completion of the transfer of the exploration licence. The company will grant a 0.5% net smelter royalty on all gold produced from the project. The company has agreed to make contingent deferred payments of 1.5 million Australian dollars and 2 million Australian dollars upon the announcement by Capricorn of a board decision to commence commercial mining activities on the project. And after the announcement, Capricorn shares were trading 2.26% higher at $3.62 Australian per share as of 10:09 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Next, we move on to Biome Health Company, and the Biome Australia Limited announced that it has signed a material distribution agreement with Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, or API, Priceline Pharmacy Group. And under the agreement, the company will sell its Biome's activated probiotics as a core range in their 370 pharmacies across Australia. Priceline is one of Australia's largest health and service pharmacy groups, backed by both API and its new owners, the Wesfarmers Group. Under the new partnership, Priceline initially allocates Biome's activated probiotics range into its pharmacies around Australia between June and July 2022. The new partnership will be launched at Priceline Pharmacy's inaugural Health Masterclass Education Series, commencing with its members on the 20th of June 2022. And after the announcement, Biome's shares surged 15% to reach 12 cents Australian per share as of 10:23 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. And lastly, we'll now move to the Australasian Metals Limited. Australasian Metals today announced that the company has been successfully awarded a grant of $160,000 under the Resource and Territory Initiative. The funds from the grant will be applied towards the company's maiden diamond drilling program at the highly prospective Mount Peak lithium project in the northern Arunta province, which is expected to start in the third quarter. The additional funding will enable the company to conduct a more extensive drilling program. Australasian Metals is focused on lithium, gold and precious metals explorers, dedicated to creating value for shareholders through potential lithium and gold discoveries. Australasian Metals shares traded at 40 cents Australian, up by 2.56% as of 10:09 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for your company on that report. That's all for now in the early trades. Hope your day in trading goes well. And do stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you, sharing live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. Sage signing off for now.